Hello friends, let us continue our chapter, that is the minerals and the energy resources, chapter of class 10th geography. In the last part we done the examples of ferrous and non-ferrous minerals, metallic minerals. So now let us come to the non-metallic minerals. In non-metallic minerals, the first example we will take mica. As I said you that in each example, first of all we have to take the importance of that mineral. Here the importance of mica is it has a excellent dielectric strength, and that is why this is using in the field of electricity. A very low power loss factor. Because of this it loses very less power, which is a very good quality in it. And the best thing is that it is using as a insulating, for insulating purposes, because it has insulating properties. As we know that we are using it in the electronic items like iron press. So like this is a press, so we make a layer of mica on it. As we then that it has excellent dielectric strength, so because of it play a role of insulating, and which is very good. Mica is one of the most indispensable minerals used in the field of this electric and electronic industries. Now obviously next one is the distribution. This distribution you can see here in the map also. The distributions are like here you can see Chota Nagpur. This Chota Nagpur plateau is too much rich in minerals. So if you see each and every mineral, either iron ore, manganese, bauxite, mica, etc., copper, they all are found here. Similarly, mica is also found here. As you can see here, these stars are the mica. Gaya, in the here micas are found. The other are in Rajasthan. Also, we see micas are found in Bewar and Ajmer area, and in Nellore also. Nellore of the Andhra Pradesh, mica is found. Koderma Gaya Hazaribagh belt of Jharkhand. It is the leading producer of mica. So this is how we see. Plus, other are the places which we discuss in this map also. Here, mica is found. This is the distribution area of mica. Now, let's come to the next mineral. Here, we take an example of the rock minerals which is given in our book, and that one is the limestone. So, let's come to the limestone. Obviously, first of all, we have to do the importance of limestone. In importance, it is a basic raw material used in cement industries, and also it is used in the iron and ore industry or iron and steel industries, where when we smelt iron ore, at that time we use limestone also with manganese, and it is found in the rocks composed of the rocks which are composed of calcium carbonate or calcium and magnesium carbonates, where we found these limestone. Now next one is the distribution area. If we come to the distribution area of limestone, then limestone, as you can see here, the maximum number of limestone is found in Andhra Pradesh, which is 60%. Then come Madhya Pradesh with 15% of share of India, and Rajasthan also. The Gujarat with 11%, Tamil Nadu with 9%, and rest in the other part of India. Means the 34% are found in the other part of India. So that is what distribution area we done. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 states are the places where we found limestone. Plus in others, the main are like Rajasthan, Gujarat, Himachal Pradesh, and Gujarat is given here, uh, Karnataka. So this is how we done some examples of these minerals. Now the next important point which we have to do is the conservation of minerals. Actually, we done this conservation of minerals. Conservation point we are doing, or in other word, if we take our book, then in each topic, at last we have to do the conservation of that thing, of that resources. So here in minerals, let us do the conservation of minerals. Minerals are the main base of country's economy, its development, as we know. And the second thing that we know is that the minerals are the basically maximum minerals are non-renewable minerals, means once they get exhausted they cannot be renewed. Hence there is a need to conserve these minerals, because once they exhausted, then we get these types of minerals after millions and trillions of years after. So the steps which we have to taken for the conservation of minerals are, let us do one by one. Sustainable use of minerals. Sustainable use of minerals means we have to use minerals in such a manner that, 3 points comes here, means we have to use the minerals but without harming the environment. And the second and the most important thing is that we have to keep these minerals for our future generation also, because they also need these minerals, so we have to left it for future generation also. Plant manner, for that we have to use minerals in a plant manner, means we have to do a proper survey of it. Then we have to exhaust mineral in a plant manner, whatever the development ratio of a country is, according to that we have to use minerals. And after that also we have to renew these minerals. Now first, as I said you that these minerals are sustainable use of the minerals, means natural environment, we have to keep natural environment, clean environment with the healthy communities, and also we get the economic vitality of the minerals. With all this comes the sustainability. Wastage should be minimized in the process of mining and processing also. But we see that we waste a lot of minerals, and as we know these minerals are very precious minerals, so we have to stop this wastage and use minerals in a very careful manner. The export of minerals should be minimized. If you see, then what we see, and especially in India, what we see that we export a lot of raw iron to Japan and also to many other countries. Instead of that, we have to take out minerals in only in such amount that what our country's development need. The ratio should be according to that. And instead of export raw minerals to other countries, we keep these minerals and use these minerals in future. Recycling of minerals, as we know these minerals are non-renewable, so instead of using the new minerals, the best thing is that we recycle minerals, like all the metals we again smelt them and recycle them and reuse them. So wherever it is possible to recycle, we should recycle minerals, and this is how again and again we use minerals. Now here the criteria and sustainability in mining is also given in this picture. Actually it is not given in our book, but I think this map or diagram help us, not map, a diagram help us what is the sustainability of mining, that health, where we get health and safety, effective engagement, respect of the indigenous peoples, environment should be clean, full mind of operations or the operations of the life cycles are used, resource use, we have to use full efficiency of resources, continuous learning and adaptations of these and benefits. And this is how later we get the benefits of it. So students, this is how we done only the half part of the chapter which is minerals. Now in our next part we will do energy part. That's all in this part. Any kind of doubts, comments and problems, you can consult me or send your comment to me or visit my blog also, which is bipindogra.blogspot.in. Thank you student.